Hi friends, narito tayo ngayon sa Thermopylae kung saan dito naganap ang isang napaka-inspiring although madugong battle between the Persians and the Greeks. And later on, this was popularized by the movie The 300s kung saan ang 300 na mga Spartans stood their ground against the invading forces of the Persians, which counted to about 300,000. They have prepared to die, to fight for the motherland instead of simply giving up. They are fighting for the freedom of their land, of their families, and of the country that they love so much. Alam nyo, ang nangyari dito ay magandang symbolism ng ginawang sakripisyo ng ating Panginoong Kristo sapagkat sabi sa Bible, and you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Sabi naman sa John 8 ng ating Panginoong Kristo mismo, if the Son of Man sets you free, you shall be free indeed. You don't have to die, you don't have to battle. Ang Panginoon ay namatay para sa atin. Ipinakipaglaban niya sa atin ang laban na hindi natin kayang panalunan. Ibinigay niya sa atin ang isang bagay na hindi natin kayang kunin sa ating sarili. At siya ang namatay alang-alang sa atin upang magkaroon tayo ng freedom. Kaya sabihin niyo, paano tayo magkakaroon ng freedom at this time? Ang sabi sa Corinthians, where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom. As long as we constantly abide and walk in the presence and in the leading of the Holy Spirit, we will always find freedom in this life.